today? How's the weather? Very good. Tell me please, what's your name? Good job, okay. Tell me please, what time is it now? What time is it?
Money.
Very good. Tell me please, how's the weather today?
Sunny.
Alright. Alright, tell me please, what's your name?
My name is Monica Poon.
Good job. Hands up. How are you?
How are you?
I am good, thank you.
I am good, thank you.
Let's check our watch and say morning.
Morning.
Good morning to you.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, teacher Andy.
Good morning, teacher Andy.
I am happy to see you.
I am happy to see you.
Well done. I'm also so happy to see you. Now please come back and sit down. Sit down.
Okay? Okay.
Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
Well done. Tell me, how are you?
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I can't hear you. Let's put our hands up and say, I am good.
I am good.
Well done, alright. Let's continue. Good job. Tell me please, how's the weather today? How's the weather? How's the weather? Hmm? Let's look outside. You see, it's so bright. It's so bright because it's sunny. Good job, alright. Wonderful. Tell me please, what's your name? Well done.
Positive stuff.
Tell me, how old are you?
5.
Wonderful. Sit down. Are you ready? Come on. And tell me, how's the weather? Well done, alright. Okay.
Saturday.
All right.
Sunday.
Let's go.
Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday.
Ah? Okay.
Friday. Friday.
Let's go.
Saturday. Sunday. Monday. Tuesday.
Mm-hmm.
Wednesday.
Well done.
Thursday. Friday. Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Friday.
No.
Thursday.
Ah? Okay. Well done.
Saturday.
Okay.
Sunday. Monday. Tuesday.
No. 13. Okay. 15. Next one.
20.
How are you? How are you? Wonderful. Okay, well done. Now let's begin. If you want to make hold your hands. Okay. Stand up and here. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Everybody stays there. Okay, very good. Alright, come here, come further across. Alright, mother, stand up, come there. Okay, yeah. Stand up, please. Well done. Okay, very good. Stay there, everybody. First of all, tell me, how are you today? Okay, well done. Lawrence, remind me, what day is it today? What day is it today, guys? One more time, what day is it today? Okay, very good. Tell me please, what month is it now? Well done. Alright, tell me, what time is it now? Guys, what time is it now? Okay. Now, man, look outside and tell me, how's the weather today? Well done, man. What month is it now? Okay. How are you today? Huh? Okay. Ma'am, tell me please, what day is it today? No. What day is it today, guys? Okay, give me the ball. Come back and sit down, please. Is there anybody else? Okay, stand up, come there. Alright, stand up. Okay, and join us. Alright, Mia, stand up, come here. Would you like to play? Okay, come there. Well done. Each of you one step backward, please. Very good. Okay. First of all, tell me please, what time is it now? Guys, what time is it now? What? Okay, well done. Tell me, Andy, how are you today? Alright. Remind me please, what day is it today, sir? Well done. Tell me please, what month is it now? Very good. Ellie, tell me, how are you today? Okay. Tell me please, what time is it now? Wonderful. Mia, remind me, how's the weather today? How's the weather today? No. Guys, is it sunny? Huh? Well done, give me the ball. Alright, tell me please, what day is it today? Wonderful, sit down please. Is there anybody else? Okay, Tony, stand up. Okay, we see come here. Okay, come here. Tony, okay, then. Well done, yes. Everybody stay there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. David, tell me, what day is it today? Okay. Tell me, what month is it now? Well done. Tony, how's the work today? Wonderful. Tell me, how are you today? Well done. What time is it now? Wonderful. Lucy, how are you today? Okay, man, tell me, what's your name? Alright. Be careful, please. Give me the ball. Alright. Now tell me, how's the weather today? Well done. Come back and sit down, everybody. Alright. Now let's continue. Each of you will get here and tell me. What day is it today? Well done, sit down. Now, tell me, how are you? Well done. Look outside and tell me, how's the weather today? Very good. What time is it now? Well done. How are you? Wonderful. tell me, what time is it now? What time is it now? Wonderful. First of all, tell me, how are you?